Welcome to Hogwarts is an economic game on a smart contract. Someone has already heard, someone is seeing this site for the first time. However, there are hidden features in this project, which I will now reveal a little for you. This video will be different from the rest of the videos on Hogwarts YouTube. Of course, I will show you what and how to do a few words here. I will tell you how much you can earn, but I will start with the most important thing, namely, what we are creating around this project and why are we doing it. The basics of making money on the internet, so that people at least lose less in HYIPs, and at most earn more. However, this turned out to be a difficult task, as people simply do not watch every video on the channel, many do not watch to the end or simply do not listen attentively. That is why my team and I decided to arrange a small training for those who need it and built it. It's learning around Hogwarts. We made a Telegram bot with a series of step-by-step video instructions. And now let's be specific. As for Hogwarts, as I have already said, this is an economic game on a smart contract. They have a cool site. Then I will show you that the site has both the main web version, and there is also a mirror for those whose web version may not open for some reason. The smart contract has two independent audits, and both of them have confirmed that there are no privileges for the owner and no backdoors. Also, the owner gave up the right of ownership. In fact, there is a platform on the internet on the basis of which you can learn to train, make money on the internet. A smart contract is deployed on the Binance network, a smart chain or BEP20 is the same main currency. It is USDT on the same blockchain, and the marketing of the launch of the game is also thought out to the smallest detail, divided into 3 phases. Phase 1 at the time of recording this video, it has already been completed, it lasted from October 4th to November 1st. Now we are in the second phase. Here we have open battles in the dense forest, the payment of leadership bonuses has been added, and Christmas gifts are also waiting for us ahead. The third phase of the game starts after January 20th. And there we are promised even more interesting things. What do we need to do here and how to get started? Let's go to the website. Registration in Hogwarts takes place like in any other smart contract, using a cryptocurrency wallet. For those who do not understand how to work with smart contracts, it will be a great practice. Now I won't show all the nuances of registration, since detailed step-by-step instructions have already been uploaded to the bot, the link to which I will leave in the description under this video. But let's connect with you and see what needs to be done here. First of all, you need to connect the wallet. The wallet is connected, my balances are displayed. After registration, you will first need to choose a character. There are 4 of them and the cost of the character is $10 and it is necessary to open an account in the Gringotts Bank. Here it is the bank, there are all the statistics and this deposit is credited daily. In my case, 1.31%, everything starts at 1.21, and the main task in the game is to multiply your bank account. And to do this, you need to pump your character. Let's go back. He needs leveling up in order for him to fight better in the dense forest. Here it is. This is the first game mechanic that makes it possible to mine even more gold. My character isn't leveled up enough yet, but let's go in anyway. I'll show you to come in here. I confirm the transaction. Yes, 10 gold was deducted from my balance. This is $10 and the character went to fight as soon as another player entered the same place in the dense forest in the same way. If the battles take part, one of us wins and receives the bet of one and the bet of the other. How to level up your character to increase your chances of winning. For this there is an alchemy room, we go here, and here you need to go in every day and learn a new spell. You see, now I have a skill of 7 out of 100, we learn a new one, confirm the transaction, yes it is completed and my skill has increased to stage 8, every day once a day you need to enter and learn a new spell. There are also tournaments between mages. Here they are, there are also very cool game mechanics, and here people come in, place bets, constantly raise by 1-1, and the one who outbids absolutely all the bets takes the entire pot. In general, there is a very interesting storyline, several game mechanics, plus an affiliate program. Let me show it to you on the menu, too. We have referral stats, this is where your referral link will be, and if we scroll a little lower, we can see that there are only 2 levels of referral program. And in order to earn more, you need to gradually increase your status, while receiving leadership bonuses for each level. This is also very coolly thought out. And if you put it all together, I mean the storyline, several game mechanics, and the affiliate program. All this will help players not only earn extra money, but also improve their skills in the first Web 3.0 to feel confident in interacting with smart contracts. Also, improve financial literacy, especially on the topic of making money on the internet. Well, to work with us on the same project. Who needs and is interested in this? I will leave a link to the bot in the description under this video. Go to the bot, then get into the chat and be able to figure it out, ask all the questions in detail. Who is not interested? Just keep an eye on the channel, there will be new videos, and I will remind everyone once again, as usual, never bring borrowed money to the internet, as well as the amount that you cannot afford to lose. I wish everyone profit. Thank you for watching. For likes, comments and subscriptions, but also see you in the next video.